Okay, this is Mrs. Applegate, and we are going to work on double-digit dividing with a double-digit divisor. First, we're going to start off just with some practice with some of your regular long division. So let's do 52. We're going to divide that by 4. Okay, well, you need to set it up with the 52 goes inside the house. 4 goes out because it's 52 being divided by 4. Okay, so our first thing we're going to look at, how many times will the digit 4 go into the digit 5? I know that will go in there one time. So now I think, oh, I've put 4 up here using 1. So 4 times 1 is 4. So I need to take that 4 out, and that leaves me with 1. My next step is to bring down the 2. Now, how many times will 4 go into the number 12? Well, if I have 12 dots and I group them into sets of 4, that's going to make 3 groups. So 4 will go into 12 3 times. So I've put 3 sets of 4 up here. I do that by 3 times 4. That's right, it's 12, so I need to take that out. 12 minus 12 is 0. So 52 divided by 4 is 13. Okay, that's your simple 4th grade division, a single digit divisor. But now in 5th grade, we're going to do something with a double digit divisor. So let's do, well, we're just going to do this problem, but a little bit differently. Let's do 52. We're going to divide it by 13. Okay, we know from our fact families that the answer should be 4, but we're going to double check by doing long division with a 2-digit divisor. So here we go again. 52 goes in the house, 13 outside, because 52 is being divided by 13. Okay, so how many times will 13 go into 52? Well, I don't know, so let's do some scratch work to the side. Switch colors. I know 13 times 1 is always 13. How about 13 times 2? Well, that's going to be 26. Do you think I can add another set of 13 without going over 52? Let's try. 13 times 3 equals, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 1 is 3, 39. Think I can add another set of 13 without going over 52? Let's see. 13 times 4 equals, 4 times 3 is 12. Carry my 1. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1, 52. Looky there. I didn't go over 52. So how many sets of 13 can I make out of 52? I can make 4 sets. So 4 times 13 is 52. I'm going to subtract that. What's left? 0 and 0. So 13 will go into 52 4 times. Did those check out? Try another example. Let's try, let me think of one. $357. Let's divide that by 24. 357 divided by 24. So we are going to have 357 in the house, 24 outside the house. Okay. So I've got 24. Will 24 go into 3? Nope, it won't. Okay, if I only have 3, I can't make a set of 24. So let's add a number. Let's look at 35. If I have 35, can I pull out one set of 24? At least one. Let's see. If I have 24, I'm going to do that scratch work again. 24 times 1, we know, is 24. So we know 24 will go in there at least once. You think it'll go in there a second time? Let's see. 24 times 2 equals 48. Uh-oh. Did that go over 35? It did. So 24 will only go into 35 once. And put that 1 over the 5. So I'm now focusing on the 35. So I'm going to write my 1 over that last digit of the number I'm focusing on. Okay. So I've done one set of 24. So 1 times 24 is 24. I have to take that out. What's left? Well, 5 minus 4 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. This is that point where you check. Is what left, the amount I have left over, is it less than my divisor? As long as what I have left over is less than the divisor, then I know I did something right. But what if I had left over 25? If I had 25 left over, could I have pulled out another set of 24? Well, yeah, because 25 is one more than 24. Okay? So always check. Make sure your leftover right after you subtract is less than your divisor. And now we're going to bring down that 7. Oh, now how many times will 24 go into 117? Goodness gracious, I don't know. I'm going to have to keep doing that scratch work. I know it's more than 2. Let's do 24 times 3. That's going to be 3 times 4 is 12. Carry my 1. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 makes 7. I bet I can do another set of 24. 24 times 4 equals 4 times 4 is 16. Carry my 1. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1. That's a 9. 96. I wonder if I can fit one more in there. 24 times 5 is 5 times 4 is 20. 0. Carry my 2. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 11, 12. 120. Uh-oh. I only have 117. How many sets of 24 can I pull out of 117? This is too many. So I can pull out 4 sets of 24. So I'm going to do 4. Okay, 4 times 24. Let's look at that work. We said it's 96. I'm going to take that out. So you have 1 left. Oh, can't do that. So 11 minus, or 9 minus, 11 minus 9. That's going to be 2. Okay, let's check. Is my leftover less than my divisor? It is. 21 is less than 24, so I know I did that right. That 4 was okay. Okay, I couldn't have taken 5 because there wasn't enough to take another set of 24. We're going to pause right there and just do our remainder. We have a remainder of 21. So 357 divided by 24 is 14, the remainder of 21. Okay. Alright, just like somebody said in class today, it's the same process as what you did in 4th grade. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, repeat. Instead of just 1 digit now, we have 2. Okay? Be sure you've taken notes on this. Remember, you can always pause, rewind, and replay any of this video to make sure you take your notes. I'll see you in class tomorrow.